Baumgartner married a local woman, Lena Seman, in 1911 and worked at the light station until he died in 1923. Originally, a kerosene lamp lit the lens, which turned on a clockwork mechanism. To produce a flash of light every 10 seconds, the four-sided lens revolved 3 times every 2 minutes. In 1935, the lamp and clockworks were replaced by an electric light and motor. The U.S. Coast Guard took over from the U.S. Lighthouse Service in 1939. Keeper Bill Owens, who also served at the Point Arena Lighthouse, arrived in 1952 and worked there until 1963 when he retired. He was the last civilian lightkeeper on the West Coast. In 1973, the Coast Guard stopped manning the station and a modern rotating beacon was placed on the roof west of the lantern room. Beginning in the late 1980s, a series of organizations took on the task of restoring the old lighthouse. Today, it is part of a state park. Point Cabrillo is also a film star, used in the 2001 Warner Brothers film The Majestic.